Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we analyze the latest gadgets to help you make informed purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of tablets with the DOOGE U10 Android Tablet.
Let's see what this device has to offer.
The DOOGE U10 Android Tablet is packed with features that make it a standout choice in the crowded tablet market. With a massive 9GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, expandable up to a whopping 1TB.
You'll never have to worry about running out of space for your apps, games, photos, and more.
One of the highlights of this tablet is its stunning 10.1-inch IPS HD display.
With a high brightness of 300 candelas per square meter and support for 16.7 million colors. You'll enjoy crisp, vibrant visuals whether you're watching movies, playing games, or browsing the web. Plus, the dual stereo speakers with dual smart amplification deliver immersive audio to complement your viewing experience. Under the hood, the DOOGE U10 is powered by a quad-core processor and runs on the latest Android 13 operating system, ensuring smooth performance and enhanced privacy and security features.
And with support for Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0, you'll enjoy ultra-fast network connections and seamless connectivity with your other devices.
But what about battery life and cameras?
The DOOGE U10 boasts a 5060 mAh battery that provides long-lasting power, so you can stay productive and entertained on the go.
And with an 8-megapixels rear camera and Face ID unlock feature,
you'll be able to capture photos and videos with ease and keep your device secure. In conclusion, the DOOGE U10 Android Tablet offers a compelling combination of performance, features, and affordability.
Whether you're a student, professional, or casual user, this tablet has something to offer. Thanks for watching Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews like this.
Until next time, happy shopping!